Pwede bang ma-recover yung pera na naisend sa maling GCash number? Sundan mo lang ang videong ito at sabay natin alamin. Sa inyong GCash account, click on Help. Click on Chat with Gigi for faster assistance. Then i-type natin dito sa message yung concern natin. Then click on Send. Nagbigay siya dito ng clarification option. But since wala dito yung concern natin, we click on Ask Something Else. So i-type lang natin dito yung direct na gusto natin sabihin. I accidentally sent the money to a wrong GCash number. So ayan, nag-reply siya, and she's asking if which number did we send the money. Pumili lang po tayo dito sa option na binigay niya if old inactive number or sa wrong number. So we choose wrong number, and unfortunately, ang sagot sa ating katanungan ay ito. Based on the GCash terms and condition, all transactions are final and irreversible once completed. When sending money through GCash, you are responsible for confirming the details of your transaction. If you accidentally sent money to the wrong number, it would be best to reach out the recipient and ask them to return your funds.